How to change email address on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your email address on Facebook. First things first, you want to make sure that your Facebook application is updated to the latest version, and then you want to open it up. Once you open it up, you should get an interface like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then head into settings or the gear icon at the top right as well. And once you do so, you'll get the option that says Account Center Meta. At the very first, you want to simply tap on it, and under it, what you want to do is you want to head into the option here that says Personal Details. Under Account Settings, you want to tap on it, and you can see the Contact Info option. Tap on it there and you'll be able to see your contacts. Simply tap on the email option there, and now you can delete this email address, and then you can add another one, or you can simply add another one by tapping on it here, and you can add another email address. So this way you can easily change email address. At the bottom you can see you can delete email address and add to for your Instagram as well, and you can see there add new contact. Simply tap on it and then add email address here, and you can add it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.